Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the SISESOL
72-inch
metal storage cabinet. I'm going to get it opened up, spread out, put together, and then we're going to take a closer look, so stick around. Have our installation instructions. Have some casters here. Pretty heavy duty. And our hardware. Okay, we got everything out and spread out. Now it's time to get started. Okay, I'm going to fast forward through this part because it's going to be long and boring. So I'll go fast enough for you to not get bored and not too fast for you not to be able to see what we're doing. So enjoy the assembly. I'll check back with y'all when I get done. Okay, got the cabinet done. Got it in here where I need it. Really good storage. Plenty of room. I've got more room than I need now, but I do have some more things to put in here. But that's good enough for now. I did have a plastic shelf here and it was kind of leaning, so this is a big improvement. Plus it'll hold a lot more. As far as the measurements go, that's like 43 and a half. I believe it was 19 and 3/4 inches deep. And with the casters on it from the ground up, we're looking at about 71 and an eighth. Really nice size cabinet. I have a lot of different products to put up and store and whatever. It can get a little tedious on getting things where it needs to be. And having something like this really makes it nice. Like I said, I can bring that, all these shelves are adjustable. I can bring this shelf up, bring that one up, and I've got some more bigger boxes over here that I can put down on the bottom. As far as the thickness of the metal, it's adequate. It's not extremely thick, but it's a lot thicker than some of these metal cabinets I have had the opportunity to review. But this is one of the nicer ones. It really is. It's a nice one. I like it. No complaints on it whatsoever. Just need to pay attention to the instructions. Other than that, as you saw, one person technically can do it. 2 people would be much better. Anyway, there you have it. It's a really nice cabinet. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. I like it. If you want to check out this cabinet, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, there's a playlist right here that you might find something else over there that might perk your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.